Hi everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through how to register as a prescriber on Faces. Once you've logged into the website version, click on your profile in the top corner, select Settings, then choose Shop Settings and click on Pharmacy Registration. You'll see a screen that says Get Started. Simply follow the steps to complete the process. You can make changes to what others will see once your account is approved under the About Me section. Choose your business type, then add your address. Next, make sure you enter your professional PIN so that we can review your details accordingly. You'll also need to add your PIN expiry date. If asked to verify your email address, follow the instructions to do so. You'll then need to confirm whether you have insurance. If you do, select Yes and choose your insurance provider from the list. If your insurer isn't listed, select Other and enter their name. If you don't currently have insurance, please get in touch with us. We can provide insurance quotes through our partnered providers. Scroll down to upload your insurance document. Make sure it includes your full name, policy number, and cover dates. Then enter your insurance policy number and expiry date. Next, answer the question about whether you're a training academy. If not, simply select No. You'll then be asked where you trained and qualified as a prescriber. You can upload your training certificates or any documents related to your prescribing qualifications. If you don't have these to hand, you can skip this step. Scroll down and upload a copy of your ID. You'll also have the option to set your prescription fee. For example, if you charge £20, enter that amount. Finally, create a unique security code. This code will be required each time you approve a prescription, so make sure it's something only you know. This keeps your account secure and prevents anyone else from approving prescriptions on your behalf. Once everything is set up, tick the box to accept the terms and conditions, then click Save. Our team will review your submission within 24 to 48 hours. Let me know if you have any additional questions. Thank you.